Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we dive into powerful insights from influential books. Today, we're exploring How to Sell Your Way Through Life by Napoleon Hill, a book filled with masterful advice on mastering salesmanship and achieving personal success. Whether you're looking to enhance your sales skills or integrate life-changing success principles, this summary has valuable insights for everyone. Stay tuned until the end to learn how these strategies can lead to tangible results in your life. Are you aspiring to become a better salesman, curious about how to effectively market your products or services, or wondering how to lead a more meaningful life? This summary answers all these questions by teaching you the art of salesmanship, starting with mastering autosuggestion to communicate and persuade effectively. You'll also learn the 6 steps to closing a sale with ease, building a foundation for a successful career. Additionally, discover the importance of a pleasing personality in business and how Henry Ford's principles helped him build his multinational corporation, Ford Motor Company. By setting clear goals, applying the Golden Rule, and developing the right mental attitude, Ford became a successful industry leader. Learn how you can apply these principles to become a successful leader, unlock your true potential, and refine the skills needed to excel in sales. So, without any further ado, let's get started. When it comes to salesmanship, one of the first things to understand is the importance of belief in the product you're selling. A salesperson must fully believe in the effectiveness and value of the product they are offering. This belief isn't just about knowing the features and specifications of the product, it's about truly internalizing the value that the product can bring to customers. When a salesperson genuinely believes in what they are selling, that conviction naturally gets communicated to the potential buyer. Confidence in the product radiates through the salesperson's words, body language, and enthusiasm, creating a stronger connection with the customer. This is where autosuggestion becomes a key tool. Autosuggestion is the practice of repeatedly impressing ideas upon your subconscious mind until they become ingrained beliefs. In sales, this means repeatedly affirming the value and benefits of your product until you are completely convinced of its superiority, which will then influence how you sell. The psychological principle of autosuggestion enables a salesperson to train their mind to focus on positive thoughts and affirmations about their product or service. When done consistently, autosuggestion builds a strong sense of confidence and belief in what is being offered. This deep conviction helps the salesperson naturally convey enthusiasm and positivity during interactions with potential customers. In sales, emotions often play a bigger role than pure logic. While facts and features of a product are important, customers are more likely to make purchasing decisions based on how they feel about the product. By using autosuggestion, a salesperson can align their emotions with the product's value, creating a more compelling and authentic sales pitch. Customers pick up on the emotions and energy of the salesperson, and if those emotions are positive and genuine, it significantly increases the likelihood of a successful sale. Successful salesmanship is not only about presenting the right information to the customer but also about appealing to their emotions. People make decisions based on how a product makes them feel. Therefore, understanding the emotional triggers of your customers is essential for effective sales. A good salesperson taps into the emotions of the buyer by focusing on the benefits of the product that align with the customer's desires and needs. It's about more than just listing features, it's about telling a story that resonates with the customer's personal experiences, aspirations, and values. The most effective salespeople are those who can create an emotional connection between the customer and the product, making it not just a rational purchase, but a meaningful one. When customers feel understood, they are more likely to trust the salesperson and make a purchase. Closing a sale is often seen as the most challenging part of the sales process, but when approached correctly, it can be straightforward. Closing a deal successfully is a result of building a strong foundation throughout the entire sales process. This includes gaining the buyer's interest, establishing trust, and presenting the product in a way that aligns with the buyer's emotional motivations. The key to closing a sale lies in understanding the customer's motivations and desires. Each customer has unique reasons for making a purchase, and a successful salesperson knows how to tap into those reasons and use them to guide the customer toward making a decision. Building rapport and maintaining a positive and confident attitude throughout the interaction helps the customer feel comfortable and assured in their decision. One of the most important aspects of salesmanship is learning how to recognize when a customer is ready to make a purchase. There is often a psychological moment in every sales interaction when the customer is mentally prepared to close the deal. A skilled salesperson can sense this moment through the customer's body language, tone of voice, and responses to the sales pitch. At this point, it's crucial for the salesperson to move confidently toward closing the sale without hesitation. Any doubt or uncertainty on the part of the salesperson can cause the customer to second-guess their decision. Maintaining a positive and assertive attitude during this phase is essential for successfully closing the sale. Once the customer has expressed interest and shown signs that they are ready to buy, the salesperson should proceed smoothly to finalize the transaction, keeping the momentum going without allowing any room for doubt to creep in. In addition to mastering the technical aspects of salesmanship, it's also important to develop a pleasing personality. A salesperson's ability to connect with others on a personal level is just as important as their ability to present the product. A pleasing personality includes traits such as politeness, good manners, a positive attitude, and the ability to listen attentively to others. These qualities help to create a favorable impression and make customers feel more comfortable and at ease during the sales process. Developing a pleasing personality requires self-awareness and the ability to adapt to different situations and personalities. By cultivating a friendly and approachable demeanor, a salesperson can build stronger relationships with customers, which in turn leads to greater trust and loyalty. Having a clear sense of purpose is another critical factor in achieving success in sales. Knowing exactly what you want to accomplish allows you to focus all your efforts on achieving that goal. When you have a clear purpose, you can make decisions more easily, prioritize your tasks effectively, and stay motivated even when faced with challenges. In sales, having a singular focus on your goal helps to eliminate distractions and keeps you on the path to success. Whether your goal is to meet a specific sales target, develop long-term customer relationships, or build a successful career, maintaining a laser focus on that goal will help you achieve it more quickly and efficiently. Success in sales, like in any other field, requires more than just doing the bare minimum. To truly excel, a salesperson must be willing to go above and beyond what is expected. This means consistently putting in extra effort, whether that's by taking the time to thoroughly understand the needs of your customers, finding creative solutions to their problems, or delivering exceptional customer service. By doing more than what is required, a salesperson can stand out from the competition and build a reputation for reliability and excellence. Going the extra mile not only leads to more sales, but also creates opportunities for career advancement and personal growth. In conclusion, How to Sell Your Way Through Life by Napoleon Hill provides timeless principles for mastering the art of salesmanship. By cultivating a positive mindset through autosuggestion, appealing to the emotions of your customers, and developing a pleasing personality, you can increase your sales success and achieve your goals. The techniques outlined in this book, such as understanding the customer's emotional triggers, recognizing the psychological moment to close a sale, and consistently doing more than what is expected, are all essential for anyone looking to excel in the world of sales. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or even yourself in a job interview, these principles will help you navigate the sales process with confidence and effectiveness.